Hai, hari ni I dekat Menara Indah. It's an old condo, tapi the vibe is different. Keluar kereta je, you feel the coolness of this area. It's surrounded by pokok. Later I'll also share, diorang ada their own air terjun and sungai. So mana nak dapat? Hari ni dapat ke new listing di Ampang Jaya. Kondo ni ada 2 bilik dan 2 bilik air. And actually kawasan sekitarannya telah diubah suai sebagai something very basic like industrial or probably kampung vibe, but it's actually a condo. And then perabot yang diguna pun very simple, and adalah elemen-elemen yang I rasa wow and sangat different daripada unit-unit lain. Right now I'm actually standing in the area where it is the dining area, so you can have a short table or tall table. This is the master bedroom with cupboards and all the windows protected by anti-theft punya jaring, so nyamuk pun tak boleh masuk. This is the master bedroom punya toilet, so you can see all cemented. And all the piping are actually changed to be outside the wall. So kalau apa-apa bocor ke, it's easier. So these are some pictures from the unit. This unit is actually up for rent. So the listing will be out soon. Kalau ada yang interested nak sewa, call me.